Hi everyone, thought I'd come and do a quick run through of what is in my delfonics pouch. I bought this in a D-stash. It's quite a while ago now, I can't remember how long it was. It was a, you can see from the bottom, it was like a darker, it's almost like a khaki greeny type colour, but where it's been, you see the top, where it's been on my trolley for a while and then it was near a window for a while, it's kind of got a bit of a bleach look on the top, but I don't mind. I actually quite like it. It's given it like an ombre effect. So I thought I'd just have a quick look through it. I've got some badges on the front down here from Tickle Pink Planning and from Once More With Love. And another one I got for Christmas. I'm not actually sure where that's from. I got that from my Secret Santa, but I quite like it. And I've also got some decoration on the front as well. So I've got a, this is moved actually, where it's been on there for quite a while. This I also got from a D-stash, so I'm not entirely sure where this is originally from, but it's just a paper clip that lives on the front because I think it looks pretty. And I have another paper clip here from the shop. And then let's work through the pockets. So I've got in the front pocket, I've got, I'm a big fan of rose gold, so I've got some rose gold scissors and some post-it notes. What else is in the front here? Oh, and my favourite washi, which is white with rose gold hearts, foil hearts. I use that one quite a lot, so that's in the front pocket. I might put things back in as I go through, otherwise I'll be in a bit of a mess later. I've got a rose gold ruler, which is a little bit tarnished now, and it's a metal ruler. It's quite heavy, but it's great for using to rip washi in nice straight lines, and obviously drawing straight lines. That lives in the front. And then I've got some ink cartridges that also live in the front, along with my rose gold lamy. Love this fountain pen. I haven't used it in my B6 yet. I've also got an eraser for pencil marks. I've got my tweezers, which come in very handy for little stickers. They're covered in glue at the moment. They need sorting out, but they're handy for small stickers. Then I've got a couple of my favourite pens. So I've got my Pilot B-Ball Grip number 7. This one, although it's my favourite pen, if I go over lines, like when I'm doing block writing and I'm trying to colour it in or something, it does bleed through the pages, and also can ghost as well, which is a bit annoying because it's one of my favourite pens. So I tend to just use that now on top of stickers. I've also got this one, I don't know how you say this. There you go, you can see it there. This doesn't bleed through, so I've been using this one a bit more. Fine liner pen. I don't think it says the size of it on there, but yeah, it's just the fine liner. You can get a whole set of these in all different colours, which I have. I just keep this one in here. For some reason I have 2 pairs of tweezers in here. I'm not really sure why. My Kiki K pencil as well. It's I need to get some refills. You can see where the sun has bleached that as well. It's like a 2-tone colour. Then, so that's the front pockets. Then there's another pocket behind those pockets. It's divided in the middle. You can't see because everything's in the way, but it's stitched down the middle, so it's not one whole continuous pocket if you were looking to get one of these. And then I've got the pen that comes free with the Hobonichi Weeks. So it's the, I think they do 2 different ones. So this is the pink and white one, or they also do a red one as well. Just red on the outside, and they're the same in terms of the colours that you get. So it's just black, blue and red. But I actually use this an awful lot. So that stays in there. Then I've got my midliners. I have got the whole collection, but I really tend to use the same ones over and over again at the moment. I think I just go through phases like we all do of being drawn to colours, but this seems to be the favourite at the moment. So if you haven't seen these before, they've got a bold, there you go, you can see that, sort of a bold end and a fine end. And they're really nice over the top. So I can't use them over the top of this pen because the ink just smudges everywhere and makes a mess. But I can use it over the top of like a biro style pen, and they don't smudge. So that's what I tend to do. I write my checklists, and then when I've done them, I use this grey at the moment to just cross through to say I'm done. So yeah, there's loads and loads of different colours here. I had to obviously put them in a rainbow effect. Then I have another pair of scissors. I use quite a few pairs of scissors, like I can imagine a lot of you do. So I have different scissors for different things. I like to keep the same set of scissors for cutting sticky things like double-sided tape, but these are the floral Cath Kidston ones, so they stay in the front. I'm going to just give it a spin. Something has fallen out the back while I've been talking, so I'll start with that. So that's just a ink pad, a Colour Theory one. Oh, it came off then. Black ink, and that does live in here. Oh, I thought more things had fallen out then, so it just lives in that pocket there. Then I have got, I don't know why I've ended up with so many of these, but I've got these typo rose gold letters, and I like sticking them on the front of the planner that I'm using at the time. So there's one on my Hobonichi at the moment, the cover, not the actual Hobonichi Weeks book, so it's down in the corner. And I've also got a Grumpy Bear paperclip, cuddle in a planner. That lives in the front pocket. I've got another pin badge there that says Planner Piece from Paper Lobster. And then I have got some glue. Just haven't seen if there's anything else in that pocket then. And a stamp. So this is one that I've drawn. Just show you that. Is it going to focus? Yeah. So it's got little hearts around the edges. I'm going to start using that in my B6 as a, and then write a little to-do in there. What else have we got? Let's open this properly. So this is a larger pocket and then a smaller pocket, and then it's got Velcro, and then you've got one big pocket that goes all the way along. So in here I have another Ollie clip. Can't remember what size that is. I think it's the larger one. Yeah, I don't think it's a small one. It's a large Ollie clip, which looks like, I'll just take one off my trolley, like that. But it's You can see it's like a glittery, pretty design on there. So that's a newer one that I bought that I haven't used yet, so it's in there ready. I've got some tabs which I haven't actually opened yet, but they are in there ready to use. And I've also got some, these are Vellum sticky notes, which is very exciting. So I'm going to open those and have a good look, start using them, see what they're like. But they're also in there. Then in the other side, which has got stuck, I have got my double-sided sticky tape, and I've got some pink cord which I'm going to be using a bit later on. I'll show you what that's for in a sec. Okay, so let's spin it back round again. Every time I spin it, we get another little treat fall out. Let's pop that in there. Okay. Oh my gosh, right, so let's start with my B6. So the last time you saw this, it didn't have a cover on it. I've been I have got a few pictures of it, but it's trying to get a picture where you can see the proper colour. I think actually it's coming through quite well on here. So I've got the jelly rainbow, I love it. And then behind there, so this jelly cover, don't know if you can see that, it's got a white sort of tinge to it. It's not the complete see-through. And then behind it is some card that is a similar colour to this pink. Actually no, it's lighter. You can see it under there. Just to give it that sort of pink look. And then I've got a clip, paper clip, rose gold paper clip on there as well. I've got just some notes in there, but I will have I'll go through a proper flip through of this again, because it's changed, probably changed a little bit since you last saw it, but that lives in here anyway. I've also got a sticker folder which has got some Hobonichi kits in. I've got a notepad. That is a ticket in there for a planner event that never happened because of what's going on at the moment. And then I've also got another folder which has just got some odds and ends kits, got the postcard, tickle pink planning, there's some odd little stickers and die cuts in there as well. I'm just having a peek in the little inside. There are 4 pockets. I'm just going to take that out. So if you can see, they're all the same size, but I haven't actually got anything in there at the moment. You can kind of see the colour. It wasn't quite as dark as that because they've used a different colour for inside, but you can see from the bottom it was a darker colour than what it is on the top. But I like it. I'm not fussed by that. So let's just put this back together again. So this kind of just comes around the house with me. Just depending on where I am planning. It doesn't sort of walk around the house with me all the time during the day, but it kind of lives, sometimes it lives on the table, sometimes it lives on my desk. Sometimes it lives in my rascal trolley on the top, but it's kind of my sort of main go-to. I need to move that back, that was annoying me then. It's my main go-to for everything, and I love that my planner fits in there quite nicely as well. So I just take the one thing. I do sometimes use other bits and pieces But yeah, this is the main pouch I use. And then I'll also grab one of my sticker folders, which I can show you things like that in a different video. Might do another little walkthrough of my cart that I use, because that is very different as well from the last time you saw that. So yeah, the stickers live in there. There's too many of them for them to all live in here. This is just the bits and bobs that I use quite frequently. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'd love to know what you think. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.